unwind them, you just pinch at one part and then literally slide your finger and thumb up and spin, and it should really.
And it did get it. It'll get it from tangle.
Yep. Yeah, that wasn't deep enough. So it's definitely annoying because like pop out sometimes. This cable's like real thick and fresh too. The stuff that we use is not nearly as coiled up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm recording this so I can look back at it like, okay, yeah, all right. Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, I should have known how to do this, but as long as I've been here, but shoot, you know.
Well, I mean, typically you guys are doing like 4 lines. You don't have to do a ton of it. Like I said, when I'm doing giant blocks, it makes a lot of sense to
right.
be fast at it. Otherwise, you'll be doing it all day.